Let's learn the color names with the help of flashcards. Thanks for landing here. Make sure you subscribe this channel to learn with fun. Black, B for black. Violet, V for violet. White, W for white. Orange, O for orange. Grey, G for grey. Yellow, Y for yellow. Pink, P for pink. Blue, B for blue. Green, G for green. Purple, P for purple. Red, R for red. Brown, B for brown. White, W for white. Black, B for black. Violet, V for violet. Grey, G for grey. Orange, O for orange. Blue, B for blue. Violet, V for violet. Pink, P for pink. Orange, O for orange. Purple, P for purple. Grey, G for grey. Yellow, Y for yellow. Orange, O for orange. Brown, B for brown. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to learn with fun.